Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class, and in today's class we are starting with exercise 9C question number 7. Alright, so in this question given to us is the value of A, B and C. A, B and C is given to us and we are asked to find the value of A square plus AC minus 5B. Okay, so A square means A into A plus AC means A into C. Put the values minus 5 into B means this. Okay, so now here we have two matrices and we have to check whether matrix multiplication is possible or not. So write down the orders. It is 2 into 2, this is 2 into 2, this is 2 into 2 and this is 2 into 2. So what we know, matrix multiplication is possible if the number of columns of first matrix is equals to number of rows of the second matrix. Number of columns of first matrix equals to number of rows of the second matrix. Okay, so hence as they are equal, so matrix multiplication is possible out here. So how will I multiply? In the last class I've told you this row, this column, so 2 2s are 4 and plus 1 into 0 is 0, so I'll not write. Now this element, so this into this, 2 1s are 2, right, plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, like this. Now the third element, so second row, first column, 2 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 0 is 0, so hence it is going to be 0. And then the last one, minus 0 into 1 is 0, plus minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So this is the product matrix, this into this, plus similarly here also let us multiply. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, and then plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. This element now, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 into 4 is 4. Okay, so this row with this column and this row with this column will be out here. Similarly now with second row, first column, 0 into minus 3 is 0, plus minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. The last one, 0 into 2 is 0, right, plus minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. So hence matrix multiplication will be getting in this way. And then the last matrix is minus, multiply with 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 minus 15 minus 10. So we will be getting like this. All right, so now let us simplify it further. So therefore this is 4 0, 2 to cancel out, so 0 4, this is the first matrix, plus minus 6 minus 1 will be minus 7, this will be 2, this will be 8, this will be minus 8, second matrix done, and minus the last is 20, minus 15, 5 and minus 10. So these are the matrices, final matrices that we are getting. I want you all to pause the video and note it down till here. So therefore now we need to give the final answer. So this plus this minus this. Okay, so let us add the first two matrices. 4 minus 7 is minus 3, 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So this is the first matrices, minus 20, we have minus 15, 5 and minus 10. So now the last time we have to subtract. So last step is subtraction. Minus 2 minus 20 will be minus 23. 8 minus 5 will be 3. 2 minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 15 is 17. And minus 4 minus into minus plus. So minus 4 plus 10 will be 6. So hence this is the final answer. So hence the value of A square plus AC minus 5B is this. Okay, which is of order 2 into 2. So I hope everyone is clear with this. The important thing out here is to know how to multiply the matrices, and then it is just addition and subtraction. Okay, so please pause the video and note down properly. All right boys, let's proceed with the next question, that is question number 8. So in question number 8 the question says, given M is this matrix 1 2 2 1 and I is a unit matrix of same order. So same order means if M is 2 into 2, then I is also 2 into 2. By the way, unit matrix means it is a kind of a matrix which has elements 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, the diagonal elements are going to be 1, the other elements are going to be 0. Okay, so this type of matrix is called a unit matrix. So if M is this and if I is a unit matrix, then you have to prove that M square equals to 2M plus 3I. This is what we have to prove. So let's start from the left hand side. So we have M square. So M square means M into M. So put the values of M. Now let us multiply. So M into M. So this will give you, you know, the multiplication. It goes as rows into column. So 1 into 2. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay, done with the first element. Let's go to the second element now. So this with this column, 1 2s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2. Okay, now third one, so multiply with the second row but first column. Okay, so 1 2s are 2 plus 1 2s are 2. The last one, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. So hence this matrix is going to be M square, that is 5 4 4 5. So this is your left hand side, M square. Now let us see what is our right hand side. Our right hand side is 2M plus 3I. So therefore 2M means 1 2 2 1 plus 3I means 1 0 0 1. Okay, so let us multiply and add. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3, then 0, then 0, then 3. So let us add what we'll get after addition. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5. So are they equal? Let us check. 5 4 4 5. So similarly 5 4 4, sorry, this is 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5. So hence as they are equal, so what does it mean? It means that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Proved. Okay, so I hope you're clear with this. Please pause the video and note it down till here. Alright boys, so the next question, that is question number 9 and question number 10, you can try it yourself as homework. I now move straight away to question number 16, where the question says find the values of x and y. So we need to find the value of x and y. How? Using matrix multiplication. So the first matrix is of order 2 into 2. The second matrix is of order 2 into 1. And after matrix multiplication, we should be getting a matrix of order 2 into 1. So let us check whether it's possible or not. 2 into 2, 2 into 1. So as the number of columns of first matrix equals to number of rows of the second matrix, so hence matrix multiplication is possible. So after matrix multiplication, the matrix should be of order 2 into 1. So hence 2 into 1. So therefore the multiplication goes in this way. 2 into x plus 5 into y. So 2x plus 5y we will be getting as the first element. The second element 5x plus 2y, which is equals to this. So 2 into 1, and this is also 2 into 1. So as the orders are equal on both the sides, in between there is equals to sign. So by equality of matrices, the corresponding elements are equal. So which means this is equals to this. Okay. So therefore, how many equations we are getting? We are getting 2 equations, and those equations are equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now these are simultaneous, linear simultaneous equations. So hence 2x plus 5y is equals to minus 7, and the other one is 5x plus 2y is equals to 14. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. You multiply with 5, you multiply with 2. So after multiplication, you will be getting to 5s are 10x plus 25y is equals to minus 35. After that, 10x plus 4y is equals to 28. So when you subtract it, this becomes minus, minus, and minus. 10x, 10x gone. So 25 minus 4 will be 21y, which will be equals to minus 8 and 5, 13, 1. So hence it will be 63. So therefore y will be equals to minus 3, because 21 into 3 times is 63. Okay. So hence the value for y is minus 3. So therefore putting the value in equation 1. So putting the value in equation 1, we have 2x plus 5 into y means minus 3, which is equals to minus 7. So hence 2x is equals to minus 7. This will be minus 15. It becomes plus 15. So therefore 2x is equals to 8. So this is x is equals to 4. So hence these are the values of x and y. Okay. So I hope everyone is clear from here, because simultaneous linear equations we have already done in class 9. So values of x and y are 4 and minus 3. And this is your matrix multiplication and equality of matrices. Okay. So please pause the video and note down properly. Alright. Please try question number 16 part 3 in the similar way. Okay, so from matrices, I think so we'll keep this much. What we have done in matrices is addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, transpose of a matrix, after that multiplication of matrix, and also finding the values of x and y, equality of matrices. Okay, so from matrices we will practice this much. All right, so if a question comes, the question will be based on this things only. Okay. And now we'll be doing the last portion of arithmetic progression. So till here, please pause the video and note it down. Alright, so far in arithmetic progression, what we have done is these formulas. The nth term, the last term, is given by a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference. Also, we have learned the formula for sum of n terms of an AP given by Sn, which was equals to n by 2 a plus l, or either n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So far we have done this much in arithmetic progression. Now in the last exercise, what we have to learn is we have to also learn about this formula, 3 or more terms in AP. So I want you all to go to page number 144. Go to page number 144, and there is a section 10.5. Please do copy all the formulas from number 1 to number 4 and also learn it by heart. Okay, so when are we going to use these formulas? The point number 1, your point number 1 says when the sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is given. So when the sum of 3 consecutive terms, like first term, second term, third term, or either second, third, fourth, or either third, fourth, and fifth consecutive. Okay, if 3 consecutive terms of an AP along with the sum is given to us, then we'll take the 3 numbers as in this way: a minus d, a plus d. Okay, likewise, if 4 consecutive numbers are given to us, we'll take it in this way. For consecutive 5 terms of an AP, we'll take it in this way, and for 6 terms in AP, we'll take it in this way. Okay, so consecutive 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, and 6 terms. So 4 formulas are there. So please do learn it by heart how we'll take the number. Okay, it's there in page number 144. Note it down on your copies. Okay, now after that, another thing that we are going to learn is arithmetic mean. AM, arithmetic mean. Okay, what do we mean by arithmetic mean? Now let us assume if a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. So if a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression, or else if 3 numbers are in arithmetic progression, then this middle number b is called the mean, or is called the arithmetic mean between a and c. So since as these 3 numbers are in AP, what can I write? As these 3 numbers are in AP, then the second term minus first term is equals to third term minus second term, because these 3 numbers are in AP. So therefore this will give me b. Bring this b to the left hand side, it becomes plus b is equals to c minus a. So therefore 2b is equals to c minus a. So therefore b is equals to c minus a divided by 2. So this is the formula for arithmetic mean. Okay, so if 3 numbers are in AP, then the middle number is called the arithmetic mean between a and c, or between the first and the third, and the formula is given by this: third minus first divided by 2. Okay, c minus a divided by 2. All right. Okay, sorry, there is a mistake out here. It is not c minus a, actually it is c plus a. So c plus a. Okay, c plus a divided by 2. Please correct it. All right, so let us proceed with exercise 10D, question number 1. The question says, find three numbers in AP. Okay, find three numbers in AP whose sum is 24 and product is 440. So if there are three numbers whose sum is given to us, then I said that use the formula from page number 144. Three numbers in AP are taken as A minus D, A, and A plus D. Okay, so three numbers, let us assume, or let us take the three numbers in AP be A minus D, A plus D. They are consecutive numbers. Okay, three consecutive, we can also say consecutive numbers. Let three consecutive numbers in AP be A minus D, A plus D. Now given to us is the sum. So when are we going to use this formula? When sum is given to us. Okay, so sum is equals to 24. So sum equals to 24 means addition of these three, A minus D plus A plus D is equals to 24. So which means D gets cancelled out. So therefore this is 3A is equals to 24, which will give me the value for A as 8. So hence I got the value for A as 8. So we know A equals to 8. Also we know the product of these three numbers equals to 440. So product means to multiply A minus D into A plus D is equals to 440. So now just now I got the value for A. So A equals to 8, and therefore this is 8 plus D into 8 minus D, which is equals to 440. All right, so therefore it is in the formula A plus B into A minus B. So therefore this is 8 is a 64 minus D square, and therefore here I can divide it, 440 divided by 8. So I think so it is possible to cancel with 8, right? 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, and then 40, 8 fives are 40. Okay, so 55. So therefore D 64 minus D square equals to 55. Bring the 55 to the left hand side. So 64 minus 55 is equals to D square. So therefore 64 minus 55 means how much? 9. So therefore D square is equals to 9. So which means D is equals to plus minus 3. So therefore two values of D we are getting. One is with plus 3, the other one is with minus 3. Now we need to find the three terms. Okay, so therefore there will be two cases, when D equals to positive 3 and when D equals to negative 3. So please pause the video and note down till here. Therefore the final step now, as we got the values of A and D, what is the value for A? The value for A was 8, and we have two values of D. So when A equals to 8 and when D equals to plus 3, the three numbers are A is 8, so 8 minus 3, 5, and then A is 8 and 8 plus 3 is 5. So just put the value of A and D out here, you'll get the three numbers. Okay, but yes, there will be two cases because we have two values of D. So when D equals to plus 3, the three values will be 5, 8 and 11, and when D equals to minus 3, the three values will be just the opposite, 11, 8 and 5. So okay, so this is how we have to use those formulas when three consecutive numbers along with the sum is given to us. So I hope you're clear with this. Please pause the video and note down properly. Alright, so we'll keep this much for today. I hope you're clear with this sum. In the similar way, please try question number 2, right? And tomorrow will be the last class before your exams, and we'll complete this exercise also. The important questions we'll do tomorrow from this exercise. So please do complete all this and submit it to me by tomorrow morning. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye-bye.